Hello children, good morning. Children, today we are going to start science class. Open your textbooks, page number 199. Today we are going to start the new lesson, children. Fourth lesson, birds. Yes, children, are you seeing the bird here? Yes. Let us see the warm-up table. Identify and label the different parts of the bird that help it to. So first option, fly. Next option, eat. Next option, perch. So fly means for birds, in order to fly, what they will use, children? With the help of feathers they will fly. Very good. with with the help of beak they will eat the food. Perch means with the help of claws. Are you seeing their claws? These are the claws, children. These are the claws. With the help of claws, are you seeing the birds here? How with the help of these claws only they are able to sitting on the trees. They are able to sit on the trees. So today we are going to see the lesson about birds. First topic is we need to start to understand different types of beaks and how they help the birds. So first we can see the birds flying in the sky, children. They are feathered animals that live on the trees. They can walk, hop, run and fly also. Birds have different body structures, children. Are you seeing the birds? They have different bodies. They have different bodies. So they have different body types and features. They eat different types of food. All birds will have same food? No, children. They will eat different types of foods. Some birds eat pods of plants such as seeds, grains and fruit, while others eat flesh also. Birds use their claws and beaks to catch, hold and eat their food. So what is meant by perch, children? They will sit with the help of claws. Perch is nothing but sitting on the branch of the trees, sitting on the branch of trees. So let us have various features of birds. Are you seeing the birds? What are the features of birds? Most of the birds have wings and most of them can fly. They have light and hollow bones. That's why they are able to fly. Okay, they have feet and claws. Are you seeing? They have feet and claws. They do not have teeth. Instead have beak which is used to tear, bite, chisel, crush or chew their food. Birds have which type of bodies? Streamlined bodies which help them to fly. Which help them to fly. So these are the some features of birds, children. Let us see the beaks of birds. You know beaks of birds. How different birds will have different beaks. Are you seeing these parrots have what type of beak? Parrots will have which type of beak? They have curved beak. Are you seeing curved beak? Let us see different types of beaks of birds. Isn't it, children? Yes. See beaks of birds. You know eagle, children. How the eagle will be. See the eagle. How the eagle beak here. It has strong, sharp and hooked beak. Strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Okay. You have seen vulture. Vulture also like eagle only, children. It has also strong hooked beak. It has also strong, sharp and hooked beak. With the help of beak, what they will have? Their food. They eat their food. Shape of the bird's beak is suited to the type of food it eats. Birds like eagles, hawks, and kites and vultures. These are which type of birds, children? Flesh-eating birds. These are which type of birds? Flesh-eating birds. They are known as birds of prey. They are known as birds of prey. 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 What is meant by prey? The animal that is hunted. So it will hunt the animals and it will have it. Okay. So the animal that is hunted. So that is called prey. They have strong, sharp and hooked beaks, children, to help them tear the flesh of other some small animals like hens, chicks. They will have that meat. Okay, they will have that meat. Understood, children? See how many images I am showing. Okay, different beaks. First, we are seeing eagle, vulture. I am seeing here eagles, vultures, hawks. These are flesh-eating birds. Okay. Next, coming to the strong, short, and hard beak. Strong, short, and hard beak. Then, which type they will have? Have you seen the pigeons, children? Have you seen the pigeons? How they will be? How they will be, children? Have you seen the pigeons?